I just opened up this. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. It is a air delivery system, air piping system for my shop, for my garage. And as you can see on here, it comes with all kinds of stuff. Aluminum manifolds, elbows, T-connectors, cutting tool, O-rings, screws to connect it to the wall, Allen wrenches for the plugs in here, some Teflon tape, some pipe clamps, everything else. When I open it up, I was surprised at actually how heavy duty it is. It's got this really cool set of instructions. It's got a box full of all the goodies, and then this pipe is 3/4 inch pipe that is aluminum and then plastic coated on both sides, so it won't rust with the air. Okay, as you can see, I have this all laid out here. We've got lots of stuff. We've got 3 gauges. So each of these setup is supposed to have a gauge in it and a drain underneath it, and then the pipe itself will come in to the top or the back through one of these. I figured out how I'm going to connect it to my existing system. This is a 3/8 inch industrial connector, and this is a 1/2 inch pipe thread. So I'm going to put this together, and then the pipe will go into my existing setup. Like I said, each one of these has a drain on the bottom. I'm going to run some pipe out of my compressor room across my shop, and there's lots of extra O-rings and fittings and things like that. And then the way these go together is pretty easy. There's an O-ring, there's a ring I just threw on the ground, and then this goes back on like that. Alright, well, I've got this set up ready to go. I'm going to put the pipe down the top of it. I'm going to put a plug in the back of it. I'm going to put the drain on the bottom of it. I'm going to put a quick connector here. I would like to put another quick connector here, but that's big, and I only have these smaller ones on hand. So we'll put Teflon tape on all this and get it put together. Well, the gauge shows right on 100. That's what it is in the other room. Our gauge and our drain. Well, that's a wrap on this kit. It's a pretty comprehensive kit. It went together pretty easily. There's lots of pieces and parts, and as you can see, I've got my little drop right down here with the drain and a quick connect and a gauge on it, and the gauge is reading the same as what's in the other room. So, altogether, I'm impressed with this. This is a pretty good kit if you're looking for adding air to your garage or shop.